Nuclear energy and the myths surrounding it. Have you ever heard that nuclear energy is dangerous and highly detrimental to the environment? It's understandable that many of us have this perception, as there has been a campaign of misinformation influencing our views on this energy source for years. In this video, we will explore how some environmental organizations, funded by large oil companies and other industries, have promoted the idea that nuclear energy is something we should fear and avoid at all costs. It is essential to recognize that the issue of nuclear energy is complex and involves valid debates about its benefits and risks. However, it is crucial to understand how certain interests have played a role in shaping our opinions about this crucial energy source. Throughout this video, we will examine data and arguments both in favor and against nuclear energy. We will also address how science and technology have advanced to make nuclear power plants safer and more efficient. In the end, we hope you gain a more informed perspective on this topic and learn to distinguish between factual information and biased manipulation. So join us on this journey to unravel the truth about nuclear energy and how some interests have influenced our perceptions. Always remember to question the information we receive and seek different perspectives to form well-founded opinions. Let's get started. Why are there so many myths surrounding nuclear energy? The debate over nuclear energy has been a subject of controversy for decades, and one of the main reasons behind the negative perception of this energy source lies in the misinformation promoted by certain environmental organizations funded by large oil companies and other industries. These entities, with economic interests in the fossil fuel market, have invested considerable efforts to create a negative image of nuclear energy in the public's mind. Misinformation campaigns. Over the years, some organizations have disseminated inaccurate or biased information about nuclear energy, focusing on past nuclear accidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima. While these events were tragic with real consequences, they have been used to exaggerate risks and downplay the advancements in safety and technology that have taken place since then. Economic interests. Large oil companies and other fossil fuel industries view nuclear energy as potential competition, as it is a clean and low-impact energy source. By funding environmental organizations that criticize nuclear energy, they can undermine its credibility and perpetuate fossil fuel dependency, thus preserving their economic interests. Omission of benefits. Misinformation campaigns often ignore the benefits of nuclear energy in combating climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Nuclear energy is one of the few energy sources capable of generating large amounts of electricity without carbon emissions, making it a valuable option for addressing global warming. Advancements in safety and technology. The nuclear industry has made significant advances in safety and technology. New nuclear power plant designs incorporate multiple layers of protection and advanced cooling systems to prevent severe accidents. Additionally, nuclear waste management has improved, with research into recycling technologies and secure long-term storage. What is nuclear energy based on? Nuclear energy is based on the process of nuclear fission, where the nuclei of heavy atoms, such as uranium-235 or plutonium-239, split into two smaller nuclei when bombarded with neutrons. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat, which is used to generate steam and drive turbines that produce electricity in nuclear power plants. To prevent the fission reaction from going out of control, control rods containing materials like boron or cadmium are used. These materials can absorb neutrons and slow down the nuclear reaction. The control rods are inserted or removed from the reactor core to maintain the reaction under control and adjust power output. What has been done to prevent accidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima? However, both the Chernobyl accident in 1986 and the Fukushima accident in 2011 were tragedies that occurred due to human errors and design flaws. Nevertheless, these disasters prompted significant measures to correct the mistakes and enhance safety in the nuclear industry. Chernobyl. The Chernobyl accident was caused by a combination of factors, including errors in reactor design, safety test negligence, and lack of personnel training. The reactor did not have an adequate containment structure, allowing large amounts of radioactive material to be released into the environment following an explosion. Additionally, safety procedures were not properly followed during a shutdown test. Since then, much has been learned from Chernobyl, leading to substantial improvements in nuclear safety. Robust containment structures have been implemented in reactors, designed to contain any release of radioactive material in the event of an accident. Stricter training standards have been established for nuclear plant personnel, and safety protocols and procedures have been improved to prevent similar errors. Fukushima. The Fukushima accident was triggered by an earthquake and tsunami that severely affected the nuclear power plant. Emergency cooling systems failed, leading to the core meltdown in 3 of the reactors. As a result, significant amounts of radioactive material were released into the environment. In the wake of the Fukushima disaster, significant improvements have been made to nuclear power plant safety. Safety assessments have been conducted on existing nuclear plants, and investments have been made to strengthen emergency cooling systems to withstand earthquakes and tsunamis. Moreover, stricter safety standards have been established, and international collaboration has been promoted to share information and best practices. In summary, while the Chernobyl and Fukushima accidents were devastating tragedies leaving deep scars, they have also been catalysts for improving nuclear safety. Errors of the past have been addressed through the implementation of stricter safety measures, reinforced containment structures, and more effective emergency protocols. The nuclear industry continues to advance in safety and efficiency, ensuring that this energy source can contribute safely and sustainably to our future energy needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, the negative perception surrounding nuclear energy has been significantly influenced by misinformation campaigns funded by certain environmental organizations and vested economic interests. These campaigns have focused on historical nuclear accidents, exaggerating risks while intentionally neglecting its benefits and safety advancements. It is vital to recognize that nuclear energy plays a crucial role in combating climate change, providing clean electricity with minimal carbon emissions. However, responsible and safe use of nuclear energy requires stringent safety measures, adequate regulations, and continual improvement of standards and protocols. Following the tragic events of Chernobyl and Fukushima, the nuclear industry has learned valuable lessons and taken significant measures to rectify past mistakes and enhance safety. Robust containment structures, improved emergency cooling systems, and stricter safety standards have been implemented to prevent similar accidents. As a society, we must approach nuclear energy with informed and balanced perspectives, acknowledging both its benefits and challenges. Through a responsible approach based on scientific evidence and effective regulation, we can harness the potential of nuclear energy to address our energy and environmental challenges in the 21st century. Finally, we hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to check the description for more detailed information and sources. Stay tuned for future projects and content related to energy, the environment, and other fascinating topics. Subscribe and activate notifications to be the first to know about our latest updates. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and learning. Together, we can foster a more informed understanding and contribute to a conscious and sustainable future. See you in the next video.